Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply showing you how you can copy any group links on your messenger. So go ahead and open the link you want to copy of your group, and then once you have the group, finally go on top right of your screen, tap on the eye icon and then scroll down to share link. Finally, once you have done that, tap on the share a link. And once you have done that, there is a copy link on the top. As you can see, if you tap it, you can copy the link, or you can also tap on the bottom tabs, which is Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, and Messages, where you can share it there. But that is basically how you copy a link of your Messenger group. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and for more videos like this, feel free to share. And then thank you for watching.